Hi learners, welcome back to my YouTube channel Psychology Globe. I am Simran and I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss the last kind of psychotherapy, humanistic existential therapies. Humanistic existential therapies believe that the cause of psychological distress or psychological disorders, it lies in the feelings of alienation, feeling unworthy, loneliness, and the failure to give meaning and to find purpose in life. So before we discuss the process of humanistic therapy, let's first understand Abraham's model of hierarchy of needs. So Abraham Maslow says that the first kind of needs, or the most basic needs, are the biological needs, which includes hunger, thirst, sex, rest, and warmth. And the second kind of needs are the safety needs, that a person should not feel threatened under normal circumstances. The third kind of needs are the needs of belongingness, that is, the need to have intimate as well as social relationships. The fourth kind of need is self-esteem. Self-esteem is basically the stage where a person feels pride and a person feels self-attainment in life. The last need is self-actualization. Self-actualization is the final stage where a person reaches his or her full potential. Although in reality, self-actualization is not a permanent stage and a person's potential keeps developing. However, this is the most required, or we can say the most asked for stage by a person in his or her life. So if we talk about humanistic therapy, the person who is not able to reach self-esteem. Why a person cannot reach self-esteem? Because some of his or her needs or desires, their expression is sometimes curbed by the society and at times by his or her own family members. So the client takes the help of the therapist, and what the therapist has to do, he or she has to provide the client with a stage where they can freely express their needs and desires, and the therapist has to help the client to discover ways and methods to reach those desires and goals. Now we will talk about existential therapy. Under existential therapies, the therapist helps the client to find meaning and purpose in their life. For example, if there is a lady who has lost her husband in a car accident, so she might be depressed for a very long time. If she goes to the therapist for help, then the therapist will make her realize the purpose of present and future life, that could be to live happily for her children. Now under existential therapy, we are going to discuss a special kind of therapy that is known as the logotherapy, which was given by Viktor Frankl, and it means the treatment for the soul. This is a special kind of therapy under which the therapist shares his or her own values and the struggles of life, the meaning of life, in order to inspire the client to find meaning and purpose in their own life. The client is asked to focus on the present and have hope for the future. So this was all about the basics of humanistic and existential therapies. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos very soon. If you find this video useful, please like, share it, and also subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye.